Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The train station is next to the library. You can't miss it. It's about a 10-minute walk. Questions. True or false? The train station is next to the library. Answer, true. How far is the train station? A. 5 minutes away. B. 10 minutes away. C. 15 minutes away. Answer. 10 minutes away. Walk straight for 2 blank. Then turn left. Answer. Blocks. What is the train station next to? The train station is next to the library.